What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm quitting YouTube. Just kidding. You know the haters probably got all happy for me saying that. No, I'm actually gonna stop posting videos on YouTube for a couple days. Me, Chris, Nate, and a couple other friends are gonna be going on a trip. So if you guys do want to stay tuned and follow us there, I am of course gonna vlog the whole thing, so stay tuned for the videos. But if you guys want to stay up to date, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting there, and that way you guys can see where we're at and what we're doing. Also, in July 6th, don't forget, we're going to be having a trail run. If you guys do have questions on it, please make sure to comment them down below. I'll be glad to answer your guys' questions. Don't forget, in September, we're going to have a really big event in Escondido. So if you guys do want to be there, make sure to get your tickets now. They will be available at the door, but who knows, they might sell out. So just make sure to be there because it's going to be an event that you guys literally do not want to miss. It's going to be awesome. Let me go ahead and roll the clip and you guys be the judge for yourself.
Hey guys, this is Ralphie from Syndicate Off-Road.
What's going on, guys? I'm Christian from Syndicate Off-Road.
And we are here at Stone Brewing in Escondido. And this is actually where our next event's going to be in September 14th.
I hope you guys can make it out. You know, we're going to have a private event here in Stone Brewery. The event's actually going to be inside with quite a few vendors that we're going to be having. This is our parking lot where everyone's going to be hanging out. Park your rigs, check out all the rigs, but the main event's going to be inside the brewery. So make sure you guys buy your tickets either online or at the door. That way you guys can get in, get a free drink, get some appetizers, get to hang out with all of us, maybe check out the vendors. It'll be fun.
All right, guys, so don't forget, September 14th, 2 to 5 at Stone Brewing is our event.
You will be getting a free drink, either beer or wine, access to our appetizer table, a free raffle ticket for many raffle prizes that we have, including a free wrap. So make sure you guys get your tickets either online or at the door for our private event here in Stone Brewery in Escondido.